DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Is it organic? Is it organic or not? We need to find out if it's organic. And there's an easy way to tell. And I'm going to show you guys what that is. Okay, you see these little labels? If there's a 9 in front of it, see, that's not organic. That's 4042. That's not organic. And this one is not organic. 3107. See, 3129. Not organic. Let's find something that's organic. We have to go in the organic section. No. Let's look for organic. Now this stuff is organic, and you can tell because look at the number 94123. That means it's organic if it starts with a 9. Okay? Like here, 94759. That means it's organic. If it has a 9 in front of it. 9. And sometimes, you know, at another store, like a high-class store, they'll have them all mixed up. But see, not organic. If it has a 4-digit number that doesn't start with the 9, it's not organic. Okay. So that's how you tell. Let's see if there's anything organic over here. Nope. 4750, 4776. Aloe vera, is this organic? Nope, 3. Baby bell mushrooms. Now these, there's no numbers. Usually they have a number. And these are all non-organic. Looks like they all have them in one section. Oh, look at these. You ever eat these? These are cool. You cut them up. They got all sorts of cool little seeds in there. Good fruits. Jackfruit. This fucking shit is awesome. If you ever see one, get it. Alright, that's it. Onward and upward. Onward and upward.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.